Hello everyone, I am Aanchal Rattan and this is my submission for Code in Place 2021 final project. I have made a basic snake game using Python. So let me show you my source code. This is my very first project with Python, so I have kept it quite simple. I have imported some libraries like math, random and all these. And then there is width and height of my game, also the columns and the rows. Then there is a class cube. So in this class there are functions like init. Init is basically reserved method in Python classes, right? Then there is move, then there is draw. These functions are for the cube, not for the snake. Then there is the class snake and there is again init function, then there is move function. So this move function is basically responsible for all the movement of the snake. The right turn of the snake, the left turn of the snake. These turns are possible due to this function. Then there is a function called reset. Then there is add cube. So we really need this function because whenever a snake eats a snack, then the size of the snake increases, and that is because of this function. As all of these are made of cubes, so we need to add a cube to the snake. So this function is responsible for the increase in length of the snake. Then there is a draw function. Then there is redraw window, then draw grid. Then there is, here is random snack function. So whenever we play a game, the random snacks is generated at different location, right? So these snacks are generated due to this function. Then there is main function. So this is the starting point of our program. Now let's see the game. Let me run my program. Yes. So this is the game. As you can see, whenever the snake eats a snack, the length increases, and when we miss it, the game get reset. So this is fun. This was my project and I hope you like it. Thank you.